First, we will start sketching our box monsters. For that, I'm going to select here on the shape tools, I'm going to select the round corner square, and I'm going to click and drag, pressing shift, so it will make a perfect square. I'm going to set the fill to white, it is white, and I will make the stroke white thicker. Okay. So this will be the head of our vampire. Now I will sketch the eyes. For that, I'm going to select the circle tool. I'm going to click and drag, pressing shift to make a perfect circle. I will make the stroke thinner. Now I will zoom in, pressing Z, and click and dragging. Then I will select the circle. Then I will deselect this one. Then click fill, make it black, and the stroke, make it none. Then press shift, click and drag. Then I'm going to press the V tool to select the arrow selection tool, Alt and click to make a copy, then drag it from the corner, pressing shift, and make it here. I'm going to make it white. Okay, now that we have the eye, I'm going to select all of the parts of the eye, pressing shift. I'm going to press Command G to make a group. Then I'm going to press Alt, click and drag, pressing shift to make a copy and move it on the same height. Okay, now that I have the eyes, I'm going to sketch the other parts of the vampire. For that, I'm going to press B to select the brush tool. I'm going to lower the opacity because I'm going to sketch, and I'm going to create a new layer, so my sketch will be on that layer. I'm going to make the brush a little bit smaller, and I'm going to, okay, I forgot to set my color to black, and now I'm going to start sketching. As you can see, it is transparent, so I can achieve my forms with ease. It doesn't have to be perfect. This will be just a reference for us to use on our 3D modeling on Blender. Now I'm going to make this. And the mouth. As you can see, it is a very loose process, nothing definitive. We just want to sketch out our ideas. Now, of course, the fangs. And I will press spacebar to move a little bit my drawing. And now I'm going to make the hair, the vampire hair. Okay. Okay, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. I'm going to move this here, move this here. So now I'm drawing the ears, vampire ears. Now I'm just going to make this stroke a little bit thinner because it's creating me a little bit of noise into the design. Lastly, we're going to create the eye bags for the vampire. For that, we're going to draw it like this, like this, like this, and this. Okay, now we're ready to move into our next part of the process.